Welcome to our BuySmart review, where we dive into a detailed comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY countertop ice maker and the Silonn Nugget ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. The EUHOMY countertop ice maker produces traditional bullet-shaped ice, which is smooth and perfect for cooling beverages quickly. In contrast, the Silonn Nugget ice maker creates chewable nugget ice, known for its soft texture and ability to absorb flavors, making it ideal for cocktails and soft drinks. This difference in ice type can significantly impact your beverage experience. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY countertop ice maker is an affordable option at just $89, making it accessible for many consumers. On the other hand, the Silonn Nugget ice maker is priced at $249, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. This price difference is crucial for budget-conscious buyers versus those seeking specialized ice production. In terms of daily output, the EUHOMY countertop ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for small gatherings and everyday use. Meanwhile, the Silonn Nugget ice maker offers a higher output of 33 pounds daily, making it a better choice for larger families or entertaining guests. This increased capacity can be a deciding factor for those who frequently host events. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Silonn ice makers have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY is perfect for those looking for an economical and portable solution, while the Silonn caters to those who prioritize ice quality and higher output. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.